Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Now I would like to cover something around placement isolation or placement funneling, however somebody likes to call it. But I want to focus on actual numbers, the actual increase of number of orders that you will see if you do the proper isolation funneling. And I have this little calculator that will help us do just that. So stay with me. So what you want to do, you want to get into your campaign that you want to optimize placements for and just look for the other placements that you want to limit your traffic to. So in this case, it's rest of search and product display pages. So when we combine these two um, budgets that we spent, then that's going to be around $566. So you want to calculate if you used that kind of money on your top performing placement, will there be any increase in the overall revenue and the number of orders? So what we want to do is go ahead and input those data into this little calculator that we have. So we have $566 and 28 orders. So 28 orders and we have 566. Now we want to also take new placement conversion rate and new placement CPC. So in this case, that's going to be from top of search. But for example, if you're funneling traffic from top of search and rest of search to PDP, then you want to just pay attention what is your other placement and what is your new placement. So let's take the conversion rate. So on top of search, it's 15.63. We're gonna input that 15.63. It's a pretty simple calculator. I will show you the formulas. And the orders that we have on the new one is 30. No, not the orders. We need CPC. CPC is 2.12 here. 2.12. And there you go. By the calculation that we have here in the formula, we saw that if we use this $566 that we spent on the rest of search and product display pages, and if we spend that on top of search, we would see 42 additional orders, which is an increase of 49.03% on the campaign level, which is, you will agree, a huge increase in sales. You can also see the formula here, so it will be easy for you to recreate. Now, sometimes I see that the change, if I do the change, that there's not going to be a significant increase in the overall orders, so I just leave it at it as is. But also, please pay attention and do not immediately increase your top of search placement to something pretty high, like 200 or something like that. Placement isolation needs to be done very carefully in increments. So I would suggest 5 to 10% increments per day. And I will cover in my next video how to do just that gradually, so you don't mess up the performance of the campaign, because I've seen cases where everything blows up, like if you don't do this carefully. So let me know if this is something that you do, and if you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to answer them in the comments. Bye bye, guys.